morning, guys. So I'll just wash my hair off. You in there. So it is, I don't know what time it is today, 11 o'clock, just before, and I am about to wash the dotty. He looks a lot whiter on camera than he does in real life. He's very, very dirty. So I'm going to give him a wash and yeah, make him all nice and clean. Yeah. He hates having a bath, but that's the reality of being a dotty. Alright guys, the dog is washed. I'm washed. As I said, I think yesterday, did I say yesterday? That's a really bad angle here. As I said yesterday, I think, let me turn that off. I have an award ceremony at school on Friday, so I have had a shower, washed my hair, shaved my legs, shaved my underarms, all that jazz. So I look pretty for tomorrow, because, you know, I'm gonna see people tomorrow. But yeah, so a family friend gave me their old curling iron to try, so I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna do it now. I'm gonna let my hair naturally dry. I never blow dry my hair. I don't know, I just don't. So I'm gonna let it naturally dry out, and then I'm going to attempt to curl it. Or do I dry it? I need it to be straight, but I don't want to straighten it and then curl it. That's gonna be the only way. But the only other way is to blow dry it straight, but I don't know how to blow dry it straight. So I'm sorry if I'm like off shot in this, but yeah. So that's a lot to tell you guys for now, I think. What else was I gonna tell you guys? Not much. Just chilling at home today. This makes me point inside my camera. Just chilling at home today, not doing much. Got chores to do around the house and stuff like that, so that's what today holds. I'm really sorry if I'm like off shot in this, but I don't have a viewfinder. Well, my viewfinder's on the other side of the camera, so anywho, I'm going to go. I've just done my second load of washing, so I'm going to put the first load out on the line and yeah, then get on with some chores. So this is the reality of why I don't brush my hair. This side is brushed and this side is not. But I am going to, actually I don't know what I want to do with my hair. I might give it a quick little blow dry and see how we go. That is my hair, blow dried, semi-straight. I'm sorry, I'm like on my tiptoes. I can't actually see because the mirror is so high. Yeah, it's semi-straight, so I'm going to curl it, and I'm not going to film me curling it because I have no idea what I've been doing, so it is much later now. Actually I don't know what time I clocked out. I don't know, I think it's a bit later. Anyway, it is almost 3 o'clock and I'm just sitting at my computer doing my resume. Yeah, I've got a job at the moment, but I'm not actually getting any work from them because it's a casual like relief job. Because of course I'm working in an early childhood centre. And so I don't have a full-time job there yet. Or even a part-time job. I'm just like a casual, if they need someone to come in, like if they need someone calls in sick or whatever, then they ring me or contact me, and I haven't had any work from them this year, so It's a little bit frustrating. I had a bit of work from them last, well, yeah, I had a reasonable amount. Actually, no, I had a pretty good amount for a while there. It was like 2 weeks where I was working like practically every day. And then I was like working like 2 days or like a day or something like that. And now I've heard from them once and I couldn't work on that one day because I was babysitting for another friend, which is just frustrating. So, and she contacted me and said, are you interested in working with us? And I was like, yeah, I really am. And I haven't heard anything back. So that's that. But yeah, I need another job basically. And so I am just doing my resume. I'm obviously not going to show you my resume because lots of like personal stuff on there, but like my mobile number and whatnot. But yeah, that's what's going on. I straightened my hair. I started to curl it and it was like working, but it was a lot of work and I'm not very good at it. I kept like burning myself. So I just straightened it and I think I'm probably just gonna curl. I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. And if I can be bothered tomorrow morning, curl it. I don't know, because I have to be at school at 8:45. I think it starts at 8:45, so I have to leave here at like at least 8:20. So I need to get a bit early. And we only have one bathroom in this house, which is so frustrating. Because my brother takes forever in the shower, and then like, you know, the whole deal. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, get up early and... Anywho, so I straightened my hair because it's probably really like uneven at the back, but that's okay. So I might just leave it, I'm not gonna leave it down. I'm definitely gonna put it up because I hate it down, but I like leaving it down when it's straightened for the first day, so it's like, doesn't get a kink in it. But yeah, that's what's going on. What else do I have to do today? I have to make muffins. Mum takes muffins into work, or cupcakes or something, into work on Fridays. She's not gonna have time tonight, so I need to make them now. And yeah, that's what's going on. I've got washing to fold. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day or had a good day or whatever. I'm trying to make these vlogs longer, but I feel like I'm just rambling at you guys, and that's all about all I do to make it longer. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys want to see from me content wise. Let me know what you guys want to see within the vlogs as well. But yeah. Okay, so just done some ironing as you guys have seen, and got the washing and blah blah blah. So now I'm going to make, I think I said this earlier, I don't remember. I'm going to make some apple and cinnamon muffins for Mum to take to work tomorrow. So I'm just going to find a recipe and do that. Okay, that's like a better angle. I'm going to take a photo of what you guys are standing up on, tripod it on, insert it here. My phone's not loading, but also I'll show you guys how this. So these glass bottles my mum got from, I don't know where she got them from, the spreadable butter and post-it notes. It's not the greatest angle, but we'll live with it. Right, so I'm going to find a recipe, and Yep, so I'm gonna just got distracted by Snapchat. I'm gonna find a recipe and go from there. Actually, I think I have one. Let's see. Here, found them. Apple and cinnamon muffins. 2 cups of flour. People problems. Haha. Flour. Cinnamon. Cinnamon. Cinnamon? Can smell it. Yeah, cinnamon. Oh, love cinnamon. Baking powder, baking soda. Baking. No, that's bad. Okay, maybe it's not here. Maybe it's somewhere else. Guys, where would the baking soda be? That's bicarb soda. Or bicarb and baking the same thing. Guys, are bicarb and baking soda the same thing? Because I got bicarb soda. Baking soda. I'm having a really blonde moment. You guys can tell I don't bake or cook very often. I'm more of a cooker, like I prefer to cook like a dinner than I do like muffins, but I also want to double the recipe. Let's see. Baking soda! But baking soda is not in this thing. I'm confused. Let me text Mum, and while I'm waiting for him to reply, I will keep going. Do we have baking soda? And if so, where is it? Right, what's next on the list? Salt. Let's not use the expensive salt for baking. How about that? I think this is gluten-free. Can bicarb soda be gluten-free, fam? My camera is not working and I'm not sure why. Let me restart my phone. Because my camera is not working. I also decided I'm not going to use the expensive salt for baking. We have table salt, so I'm going to use that. Table salt. My phone also needs to on charge. Let me get my phone charged. Oh no, it's more charged than I thought it was. I thought it was flat. Anyway, never hurts to put your phone on charge. Just texted Mum to find out if it's the same thing. Right, what's next? Gotta find it now because it's inside of my phone. Sugar, vegetable oil. That's too short for this. Well, I have to go and get vegetable oil anyway, so. Okay, so the verdict is bicarb soda is not the same as baking soda. But, so I have to go to the shops, but I need vegetable oil anyway, so. Up we go, and I'm not going to get changed. I really don't care. Let's see if there's anything else we need before we go. Right, what else do I need? Let's get everything out. Right, need eggs. I don't know if I have any eggs. I think I have like one. Yeah, we have one egg, so I need to get eggs. One sweet and apple sauce. Okay. Alright, I have to go to the supermarket and get eggs, applesauce, and vegetable oil and baking soda. So, let's. Made it. Oh, it's very bright out here. Made it to the supermarket. Gonna go get my 4 things that I need. Okay, back from the supermarket. After all that, I can use the bi-cup soda. Mum was just confused. So, bi-cup soda / baking powder. Take my shoes off. Which goes back there. So, eggs. Eggs, free range, extra large eggs, apples, vegetable oil. My brother's also home now. Mum should be home soon. Alright, what are we up to? Flour, cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, salt, vegetable oil, eggs, applesauce, vanilla extract. Yep. And apples. Alright. Let's do this. Okay, this is so first I need to actually let's read the recipe first. Because I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Preheat the oven to Hey Siri, what's 375 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius?
375 degrees Fahrenheit is 190.6 degrees Celsius.
So 109, actually, making very funny noise. Okay, I need to cut up the eggs, the apples first. So let's do that. This is the finished product. Yeah, muffins. Sorry guys. I just sprinkled a little bit of made a crumb with cinnamon sugar, or cinnamon and brown sugar. Just whisked it together and then sprinkled it on top. Put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. Probably needs a little bit less than 20 minutes. Yeah, that's better. They probably need a little bit less than 20 minutes, but yeah, that's the muffins done. Mum and I had one each, but they were really good actually. But yeah, that's the apple and cinnamon. Alright guys, I've just finished editing. Well, I'm not finished, but I'm almost finished editing the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a long one. It's like my longest one in a while, so I'm not going to ramble at you guys too much in this final end slate card thing, but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I will see you all tomorrow for a day full of, well, a morning of awards ceremonies and assemblies, so